The app is busted. Pete, you seeing this? Hold on a sec, Miles. I got it. Do what he said. Yeah, same here. Hey, Genki?
I know. The whole city's telecom network is down.
What's happening to the requests that are coming in?
They'll all get queued, but... Wait. I'm gonna try a workaround.
Work fast.
Right before the app went down, I saw a request for help at Liberty and Broadway.
Headed there now. What a mess! Marco, what got into you? There they are. I've got you. Hold on. You okay? I am now. Thank you.
Spider-Man, got a minute? Got a call with the precinct up ahead and the line cut out. We've got to get through to set up triage.
On it, Chief. Still got work to do. Gotta focus. People need my help.
That did it.
Mr. Parker, I need your help to get the app back online.
What do you mean?
Get to the roof of the building on Worth and Lafayette.
What's the plan?
It's gonna be hours before the telecom network's back up, so we're gonna create our own network.
That's a big job. How long have you been planning this?
Well, dreaming about it since 7th grade, but planning, for the last 2 minutes or so. There should be a launcher around there.
What is all this stuff?
Environmental study by a new startup. The launcher's for high-altitude weather sensors.
And this startup gave us permission?
Yes. I checked with the head guy. Super nice. Seemed excited about helping out Spider-Man.
Okay, tell me what to do.
You still got that 3D printer built into your web shooters, right? I need you to build something real quick. Just sent you the blueprints.
Got him. This looks like a drone. We don't spy on people, Genki.
Oh, no. It's all opt-in. Just New Yorkers sending messages to the app, which gets routed through these drones, which I call Focused Relay Neighborhood Data Spots.
FRND. Did I just make a friend?
You did! 7th grade me was so wholesome.
Okay, now, how do we get this thing airborne?
There's a lot of competing signal traffic, so try to follow the path I marked on your visor. It'll give us a clearer signal. Local network should be online. Let me notify the app users. Reports should start coming in any minute now. We did it!
Back in business.
We got plenty of time. Cops are busy with all this sand stuff. So let's clear this place out. Come on, hold them up. He's here! Smash it!
Stealing weapons? Not on my watch! Stick to the plan! idea was it to have a gun club in the city? I think I'm gonna start a petition. Replace all the gun clubs with something better. This is gonna hit. Like a compliment club. Compliments don't hurt anyone, and they're free. For example, you take a punch really well. Good job.
Here we go.
Hey, I think I'm onto something. Less guns, more compliments.
Spider-Man's going down.
That was a big crew. Taking advantage while the city's covered in sand. Wish I knew what got into Marco. More of them coming. Let's give him a warm welcome, Spidey style. Yeah! Yeah? It's one of my superpowers.
Hey guys, I have to slow down. No, man in here. Give me a minute. I'll call you back. Thanks, Betty.
Press masquerades as anger sometimes. Just keep looking for people to help.
How you sound like her?
I'm not angry, Miles. Just focused.
That's what my mom always says when she's angry.
Come on. You've known me for a long time. Have you ever seen me angry?
I'm thinking.
It was a rhetorical question.
That one time we were playing a board game at your place and you kept losing.
I wasn't angry at you. I was angry at the universe.
Okay, the new app is compiling. I figured as long as we're at it, we might as well give it an upgrade.
We don't need anything fancy. We just need to see citizen reports.
Totally. While the patch is updating, we should widen the net. Let's check in with Miles.
She was having trouble breathing.
Miles, you busy?
What do you need?
Get to the roof of that building nearby.
Yo, you sounded stressed earlier. You doing okay?
Yeah, there's just a lot going on, and I'm hungry, and the vending machine only has those plain low-sodium table crackers.
Oh man, that sucks.
I'll manage. Hey, so I'm finally doing that app upgrade I've been talking about, with a little help from my friends. That's a brilliant pun that doesn't make sense to you yet, but it will in a minute.
Okay, I'm here.
There should be a launcher somewhere around there.
I don't see anything that looks like a launcher. Maybe it's under the sand? Okay, I see the launcher. Now what?
You're gonna 3D print a friend.
I get it now. FRND. Let me guess. Friendly Relay Network drone.
Close, but it doesn't really matter. What matters is that it uses spatial and temporal correlated signals.
Over-the-air computation? You're a genius, Genki.
No, you. I marked a path for optimal network stability. If you stay in the path, we'll get a stronger signal. Okay, local network is connected. New crime report.
I see. On my way.
Boy said Spider-Man was at the gun club. Gotta move before he gets here.
Hey, need a hand? Lost your keys? There's a lot just up the street. All of you guys are for 1 hour car? Seems like overkill. Where's the spider? What if instead of stealing you, I don't know, try to help rescue people?
Back there!
Mijo, are you okay?
Yeah, Ma, you okay?
See? I'm downtown helping you over that case. Oh, have you met with Mr. Sumida?
No.
Que dijimos. Spider-Man isn't going to take you to college.
I'll make it, Ma. Promise. Gotta run.
It's enough of this! Bring in the fake guns!
Big guns? Big boy. I can be in business class right now. Who's memorizing ass many places, right? I think I like this kind of physics better. So tiny, right? Got the spider! That's bad, right? Wish I could put this in my essay. Still got work to do.
Okay, the app's finally updated. Check it out.
Ooh, nice work.
New request just came in.
Genki, nice work on the app. This will help a lot of people.
Thanks.
Miles, let's hit these last requests and get back to school.
Spider-Man! Save us!
A crystal? I'll check it out. What the hell?
checking in.
I think I'm finding Sandman again. Did he escape already?
No, I'm as a rat. He's right in front of me. I have a hunch. Sit tight. Let me talk to his doctors.
Okay.
Okay, I talked to the doctors. Is there a sand crystal thingy near you?
Yes.
Okay. The doctors say Marco's mind is broken. Literally shattered in pieces.
Freaky. So why are these standards attacking me?
Probably to use of his subconscious trying to protect whatever's in that crystal. But listen, if you can find all the pieces, they say you might be able to make him whole again.
Being a sand person sounds complicated. Okay, Marco. Who was your subconscious protecting?
One minute I was with you, and the next, you were gone.
Talking crystal. Okay. Seems like I was a part of Marco's memory.